that, babe? Yeah, that show, man.
Car show, you already know.
They got that heat outside. I see you, my boy. I had to get these cars out here, man. These clean. These are the finally made it in, y'all. They got that shit out here. Man, Elko. Yeah, let's go crazy. Oh, look how he did the plastic. I think that's hydro this. Billet wheel, man. Tu gente. That junk clean, y'all. Fill it in there. All red, bloody. Paint looks good, man. Look at that paint. Yeah, this one's clean. It's rare too. It got the Astro roof. You don't really see him with the Astro roof on. And he got the window sticker. He's a savage. Box Chevy. That boy look good, man. With the blue interior. Got the matching steering wheel. turbo. Big turbo on that thing. It looks good, man. Show bed. Show bed. Oh yeah, now this the one right here. Damn, Skyline. Yeah, that's definitely the one, y'all. Y'all see it. You can only import these. That's the only way to get these motherfuckers. Hey. Shit, low riders, a little bit of everything. That's on that. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, that's probably gonna be my favorite one in the show. No cap. I think that's gonna be my favorite. That red one. Nah, that red one. It's just something different. It's something you wouldn't even expect in here. Got the lowrider fan. Oh, it's actually a billet pop with a twist. Did you dirty my bad? This joint right here go crazy. If y'all ain't know, man, I'm a sucker for them baby billets, especially deep dish, man. I'd rather take a baby billet deep dish than a big wheel on the sleeve. It just looks a lot better, a lot meaner on cars, so that's that thing right there. My girl was just pointing this joint out. This motherfucker tough too. It's not, you see the color? Oh yeah, you got taste, girl. You got taste. You got taste. I see that color. Oh, nice. Oh, that's the owner right there. Nice car, bro. Got that wheel in there. That color's so crazy. Oh yeah, y'all hear him. Y'all hear him, man. Got that big wheel under there. Got that billet up under there. Yeah, you see the big tight. Look at the paint, man. You can see the reflection, y'all. You hear me? It's gonna clean. It look like you got that spalted interior in there. Yeah, this joint a hit. You see the interior? They got like a basketball interior. $1 million smile. My lady stay telling me I should have put my shit on the show, y'all. I low-key should have, but it's all good, man. One day it's gonna be my time for all that. size of you. That joint live, yeah. That other joint. That big wheel. That left in there. Tuck it in there. What you say? Oh yeah, I think that's Leo shit. Got that wheel. Yo, what's up, my boy? How you feeling? I see you in them things, bro. I see you in them things. Hey, that bitch look way better in person, bro. Yeah. That bitch so nasty. I take that back. This is my favorite one. Straight up. Hey, y'all know I'm a sucker for Rosewoods, man. This bitch is hard. Look at that sparkle in that. I see you, Leo, if you're watching this video. Yeah, this is good shit. This bitch go crazy. Crazy, my shorty. My boy at Slick Big at, man. Where you at, gang? Next shot, if y'all ain't know, y'all know. Another one, my boy Big shit. That wheel. Another shot. Tu gente, mami. Know I had to get you on a tooth, my boy. You got them things out.
I call it charge. Women real hard. Women real hard. Ain't about no corny shit. Still bitches in business. I'm on my moves. Still whipping them Benzes. Major league. Who catch him because I'm bullshit. Just mention the best. Was the champion up by my kids.
Oh, look, my gente.
Sookie on my hands, house like a lose on the trees on the ass.
Got some little things out here too. Tire. That boy ain't playing no games, y'all. Big turbo. I was going that way. Lady said, let's go over here to the 5-0s. Yeah, you trying to see them 5-0s, shorty. Oh, look, he ain't got the little tour. Yeah, John. killers in there because it's that killer. It's probably low-key boyfriend and girlfriend the whole time. You heard? Oh, look at this junk. That roller. To match that wheel. I think this is too right here, y'all. That's loud now. Got that race car out. Oh, and he got his little one in here. Hell yeah. That motherfucker right here too, y'all. Matching guts. Tu gente. No cap. Alright, stunner. Great guts in there. That boy said. Another turbo in that bitch. Got a Dolphin.
Hey, we dripping. He ain't getting money. We kill shit. I'm smoking big top. You can barely see my eyes, nigga. You can't play with none of us unless you want to die.
Alright, y'all, man, that's it for the show. Hope y'all like all them cars, man. Comment down below, let me know which one's y'all favorite. And man, y'all stay tuned for that next one, man. Y'all stay blessed. Chilling with the shorty, man. We outside. I ain't bring my shit this year, but next year we finna bring something nice, man. You already know, everybody been telling me, so that's what we finna do. But yeah, y'all stay blessed. Hope y'all like the video. And y'all stay tuned for the next one, man.